I have a very large conductivity tester here. The ones you have used so far, those little green things that have a light bulb that's about that big, and it lights up. There's actually 2 little light bulbs. Both of them light up if it's a strong conductor, and one lights up if it's a semiconductor. Neither of them light up if it doesn't conduct. We are going to be looking at some different solutions with our gigantic conductivity tester to see what happens. The first one that I have, the first solution, actually before I start that, what must be the same between each of these solutions to be testing conductivity? Concentration, absolutely. So I have the concentration the same for all of these. So my first one is under a container because it is ammonia. Why would I have my ammonia covered up? No. It smells, yes, thank you. It smells very bad. I very much dislike the smell of ammonia, so it's covered up solely for that reason. If it was a gas, I wouldn't be able to use a conductivity tester with it. Those of you that guessed that. So that wouldn't work for me. I am going to open it. We'll let this stink out for a little bit. I'm going to put the conductivity tester in. First of all, is ammonia an acid or a base? Base, absolutely. Should it be a strong or weak acid, or strong or weak base? Weak base, absolutely. So, should this light up really bright? No. Let's see what happens. It's not even lighting up at all. The ion concentration is so weak, it's dissociating so little that it's not even lighting up. So the ammonia is a no-go for us. Cover that back up again. Okay, I'm going to wash off my electrodes because I do not want to contaminate my next solution. And then I will put it into some sodium hydroxide. Is that an acid or a base? Base, absolutely. Strong or weak? Strong. So what should happen? Light up. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Strong one, absolutely. Okay. Next one is also covered up. It is vinegar. Which again smells good in certain things, like in pickling and in my grandma's German potato salad. Smells delicious. A vial of it, not so much. So it's covered up purely for the smell. Vinegar has what name in chemistry terms? Acetic acid, absolutely. I have acetic acid dissolved in water at the same concentration as the rest of these are dissolved. Is it a strong or weak acid? Weak. So what should happen? Not much at all. And sure enough, not even at all. Cover that up right away. Probably see a pattern. What do you think I'm going to do next? Yeah, I'm probably going to do one that's going to light up, which is probably going to be what type of stuff? Strong acid, absolutely. In fact, it is hydrochloric acid, HCl. And we'll stick it in.
Not as bright as before.
Yeah, it wasn't as bright as the sodium hydroxide. The sodium hydroxide is dissociating more than the hydrochloric acid is. Always fun to do. You can't do that with regular lights that we have in here. Don't have the dimming switches in here. Okay, our last one is sodium chloride. Acid or base?
Acid.
I think I might have heard it. Neither! Oh, you rock. Neither! It is the result of an acid and a base. If I took my sodium hydroxide and my hydrochloric acid and I put it together, I would get what is in this beaker right here. Table salt and water. Sodium chloride solution. Write down on your sheet. Predict what's going to happen. Think about the particulate level. Think about my ionic substance that is in there. What do you think is going to happen, and why do you think that is going to happen? Okay, just right in front of you, give me a thumbs up if you think it's going to light down, thumbs down if you think it's not going to light up. Sorry, light up, no light up. Well, we're split about 50-50. Let's give it a try. Should have warned you, don't look too closely. Why? What's going on the particulate level, Noah?
It's like dissolved salts are ionic, so they conduct electricity.
Absolutely, they're ionic, so there's ions in there, so they're going to conduct electricity. Absolutely. Lovely. Let's see if we can get it to make some sounds. Let's all be very quiet. Can any of you hear that?
Yeah, I heard a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit of, like, cracklies.
Yeah.
That was a big one. Oh. Yeah, a lot of ions in that one compared to the other ones.